During the sale, the cups were sold in sets of 3 for $1.75, which means that in one set there are 3 cups. John bought 18 cups altogether. How much did he pay? Now before we go and do the question, right, we have to figure out. Now, if 3 cups is one set, right, so I'm going to put 3 cups will be one set. I want to find out for 18 cups, how many sets are there? Okay, just take 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 18. So 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 18, that will give me 18 divided by 3, and that will give me 6 sets. So if John wants to buy 18 cups, right, in total he will have to buy 6 sets. And since each set is $1.75, so one set is $1.75. If you want to buy 6 sets, it will be $1.75 multiplied by 6. Okay, so it's 1.75 multiplied by 6, and that will give us $10.50. So this method is actually very good. You have to find how many sets first, okay, and then you have to figure out for each set is how much, and then for 6 sets is how much. So for this method, you'll be a very good foundation, because for the next few couple of questions, the more difficult ones, you're going to be using this method. So the answer will be number 1. So for parents who are watching this, right, do not skip this step. Don't skip this step. Teach them first. Teach them this step, because this method will be used for many questions in the future. Okay, done.